It's story time, right? Last time we talked about John the baker. Make sure you subscribe, follow for more story times. We use this to illustrate things that can happen in the criminal defense world in our justice system. So last time we talked about John the baker. Today we're going to talk about Danny the dad, right? So Danny is a great dad. He has been for some time. He's got two kids. One's 4 or 5 years old. The other one's 7 or 8. But Danny's relationship with his wife has deteriorated. It's just sad. They've been married for 10 years. And Danny's wife has filed for divorce, right? But Danny's wife, soon to be ex-wife, is not a great person. And it looks like in the custody dispute that Danny is going to get primary custody of these children because he's a good father. Desperate, his soon-to-be ex-wife makes false allegations against him that he spanks his children too hard, right? That he is an abusive father, that he does not know how to appropriately discipline those children, right? Law enforcement gets the 911 or gets a police report from the soon-to-be ex-wife and arrests Danny, charges him with crimes for being abusive towards his children. Danny's divorce lawyer is, of course, livid because this is going to completely derail their plan to get primary custody of these kids. And now Danny's been booked. Hopefully he's got a bond, maybe he doesn't, and he's charged with crimes against his small children. That's an absolutely tragic scenario. But it's also one of the first things we're looking for when we're defending folks against allegations of abusing their children is who made this allegation and what are their motives to lie, right? These are the kind of cases that go to trial, and they're the kind of cases that can be defended at a trial. When someone is accusing someone of a crime and they've got a motive to make it up, and we can help defend against that and help poke holes in the state's case and prove that they cannot bear their burden. They cannot prove beyond a reasonable doubt that someone intentionally committed these crimes, and we're not afraid to do it. We've tried cases like that in this office where members of the jury, you've got to understand that the person that is accusing our client has made this up. She's got motives for why she would do it, and you're about to hear all about it. So when Danny the dad is facing these accusations, when someone is making up crimes to gain custody, that is an absolute abuse of the criminal justice system, abuse of the police power, but sometimes law enforcement is not able to weed that out. And no one wants to hire a defense attorney, I get that, but when we're talking about somebody's kids and we're talking about someone who's a good father being falsely accused, I can't think of a more noble reason to defend somebody against charges. We're happy to do it here. Danny the dad's story is all too common. If you know anybody that's been in that situation, if you think you might be Danny the dad, or maybe you're the mom in the same situation, please give us a call. We'd be happy to talk with you. Please subscribe for more information and call us at 470-635-1725.